Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question describes Horace Danby's encounter with the young lady. तो Horace Danby जो young lady से मिला था जिस घर में वो चोरी करने गया था उसके बारे में हमें बताना है. So this is from the chapter A Question of Trust. Now let's move on to the question. So Danby's encounter with the young lady was rather an unfortunate one for him. He thought he was going to have all the jewels to himself, but as he met the young woman, when his niece gave him away, he got terrified. So he didn't want to get caught at any cost. He didn't want to get caught at any cost, and that's why he agreed to the fact that she was the owner's wife who had forgotten the password for the safe and would not call police if he could simply get the jewels out for her. He took her word for it and got the jewels out in no time without even using gloves. So he took her word for it and got the jewels out in no time without even using gloves. So if he had not been so terrified of getting caught, he would have definitely called out her bluff and that she was actually a thief. This costed him a punishment in prison. सो अगर हम इस होल आंसर का मीनिंग देखें, जो वो लेडी थी, जो वो यंग लेडी थी, वो भी उस घर में चोरी ही करने आई थी. एंड Danby's encounter with young lady was rather an unfortunate one. So जो लेडी थी, एक बहुत ही ज्यादा वी कैन से शी वाज अ वेरी क्लेवर यंग वुमन एंड जो उसने अपनी जगह डानबी को उस थेफ्ट में फंसा दिया था. सो ही थॉट पहले डानबी ने सोचा था कि जो भी सारी ज्वेलरी वो चोरी करेगा ही विल हैव इट फॉर हिमसेल्फ, मतलब उसे किसी के साथ भी शेयर नहीं करनी पड़ेगी ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि वो चुरा रहा है इसको. बट जब उसने उस वुमेन को देखा सामने, ही गॉट वेरी टेरिफाइड, वो बहुत ज्यादा डर गया. सो वो नहीं चाहता था कि वो कैसे भी पुलिस के पास जाए या फिर ही गेट कॉट. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही अग्रीड टू दी fact that she was the owner's wife. वो इतना ज्यादा nervous हो गया था, though he was also a very clever man, but due to nervousness, he fall into the bluff of that woman and agreed to that she was owner's wife who had forgotten the password of the safe. तो जिससे वो woman पुलिस को कॉल ना करे, he agreed that he will help her to open the safe and get the jewels her for her. So he took her word and got the jewels out in no time. तो उसने जब वो jewels निकाले, he didn't even wore gloves which he usually wore to not get caught. तो अगर उसने gloves नहीं पहने होंगे तो safe पे उसके fingerprints सारे छप गए होंगे. So if he had not been so terrified, अगर वो इतना nervous और डरा हुआ नहीं होता, वो भी एक बहुत ज्यादा क्लेवर इंसान था और वो पहचान जाता कि ऑब्वियसली वो विमेन ओनर की वाइफ नहीं है. सो और इसी गलती की वजह से उसको पनिशमेंट मिली प्रिजन में. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.